Hey guys, so today we just bought this slime. It's called Compound Kings and it's grape soda scented. We're gonna try it out. Let's open it, Stephanie. Oh my god, it's hard to open. Hold on. Wait, it's too hard. Here it is. We have that. And
open it.
Wait, it's hard to open. What is this? Ew, what does that smell? Wait. Wait, ew. Looks like booger. Okay, wait. Wait, you have to take this. Wait.
Oh my god, mommy.
What is this? Why is it like...
It's broken.
Wait, Stephanie.
It's broken.
What is this?
It's broken.
Last time we got one of these and it wasn't like this.
It was with a paper.
Stephanie, put it inside. We have to mix it.
It was with a mask. I mean,
this is being really messy right now.
that's why.
I don't know why.
So now we're gonna try that.
We have to open this and we'll be right back. This is a mess. Okay, so we were able to open it. Now we have to remove all this. This is the one, oh my god. It smells a lot of grape.
Someone's calling you.
Okay, now we have it here. Now we have to mix it. Let's mix it. Smells like grape. Okay, guys, so that's what happened. The clear slime, it's very sticky. So you need to mix the color one with the clear, so that way it won't be sticky anymore. So once you mix them together, that's it. It won't be sticky anymore. So yeah. Let's go ahead and mix it with this. It brought these little glitter. Purple. So let's go ahead and open it.
Oh my god, it's sticky.
Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Here they are.
Oh, okay. Go.
Mix it, Stephanie. Mix it.
There. Here you go.
And we are done.
Done.
Smell it, Stephanie. What does it smell like? Grape?
No, I want Coke.
Yeah, Coke. Grape. Smells like grape. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
See you in the next video with more slime.
Yeah, my slime.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so I mean.
Okay.